You're out of my league.
I'm a food truck promoter.
Come home with me. Just for the hell of it. Got the eyes that keep on loving. The eyes that say
Deloitte. Veggie wrap. Cheeto. Thank you so much. Enjoy.
They moved all the students over to the ET campus. As far as I know, they've never had a cafeteria here or anything. So with the amount of students that they moved over, they built some new bungalows, you know. So we're talking about probably 12 to 1,400 students to feed on Monday and Wednesday, and the same amount on Tuesday and Thursday.
My name of the truck is Andy Stark. I sell hot dogs and I do gourmet sausages. On Wednesdays, usually I'll do a weenie Wednesday, which I'll do, you get 2 hot dogs for $4.
Hi, I'm Shotze from Royal Red Velvet Cupcakes.
I'm Alan, her sidekick, the Gesture.
We're a Royal Cupcake Mobiles. We specialize in customized cupcakes.
What she didn't mention is they're actually royal cupcakes. They treat Santa Monica College like royalty, like they deserve with all their hard work. Honoring Santa Monica College Royals. We serve you on a silver platter too when you come to us.
Next step would be the night classes here at Bundy. The food trucks would be of 2 different types of cuisine. One might be American, the other one might be Greek or Cuban or Argentinian, you know, because of the diversity of the students that are coming here.
We would just like to invite all the Santa Monica College royalty to come into our cupcake mobile, our Royal Cupcake Mobile, and get some royal cupcakes for yourself.
Give